Hey, welcome to the Print on Demand Quickstart program. My name is Will from PPC Coach. Thought I'd give you a quick tour behind the scenes of what you actually get with your purchase. So there are 4 pretty big videos here and 3 bonuses. So video 1 is just picking a niche and finding out what's working for others first, because if you don't pick the right niche and you don't pick the right product, you're probably going to struggle. So I don't want you to struggle. I want you to get up and running quickly. So I do go through explaining what makes a good niche and kind of how to look around and see what everybody else is doing. I'm not saying copy everybody else. I'm just saying that we really do need to make sure that we get off to the right start. The second video is all about getting designs created and then launching them, because we don't actually have to hold any inventory at all with print on demand, which is just awesome. So I'll show you the exact websites that I use in order to do this, the exact places where I get designs created. And you can, I mean, if you're a designer, you can certainly do it yourself. I'm not a designer, so I actually outsource my designs to real professional designers, and I don't pay a fortune for them either, so don't even worry about that. I'll show you how to get them done for cheap. Finally, the big one. I'm going to show you how to actually test these things and find some winners. And this is using Facebook ads and the most up-to-date method that I have available right now. So I'm going to walk you through step by step in detail. You're going to watch me over the shoulder, actually creating the ad, the campaign and everything. The ads, the campaign, the ad sets, and then what to do to manage it as well, what to look for when you're trying to find a winner. And finally, if you want to scale, once you found a winner, got another video in there for you too, so that you can scale your winners right to the moon. Finally, the bonuses. So bonus 1, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 niches to be in. Bonus 2, the best angles to use. And bonus 3, the top 3 types of products you should be selling. Okay, so all of this combined is what you're getting with the Quick Start program. It'll get you up and running quickly and hopefully profitably right away. So if you're interested, join now. Just click that buy button. I don't know if it's above or below or what the actual text says, but it's a big green button. Click that and get in there. You get instant access, no waiting at all. So we'll see you soon. Have a great day.